I have a 2014 Nissan Sentra, and I was unable to charge my cell phone. This adapter did not work, and this one here did not work either. So to replace the fuse on the driver's side, you'll see a little wedge, a little place to put a tool. You pry that open, and inside you'll find the fuses. It's kind of hard to read, but on here it says power socket, the top fuse. I simply took a pair of needle nose pliers, pulled it out. It was no good. This one is a good one. I had just already replaced it. I put the new one in, and both my power outlets work perfect. So again, this is for a 2014 Sentra.